Luxury and jewelry marketing is a completely different game from standard D2C. Your customer execution cycle is longer, your average transaction value is dramatically higher. Brand trust and heritage storytelling matter more than a discount code. And the channels that work for a 500 rupees fashion brand simply don't apply when your average transaction is 50,000 or more. Now, today we are running the numbers specific to this vertical, that's the luxury jewelry D2C marketing simulators. Hi, and welcome back to the Upgrowth YouTube channel, and let us get into it. Now, calibrated on 150 plus luxury and jewelry client engagements, the defaults and ranges reflect real performance in this vertical. This is not generic. This is the distinction that this simulator offers. This here, higher CAC is acceptable because LTV is also dramatically higher. Lower conversion rates are very normal because purchase decisions take longer. This simulator accounts for all of that. Now, let's get into the simulator. Here are 7 inputs that you need to add for this simulator to work. Again, you can add either in INR or USD depending upon how your business generates its income. Now, let's say the monthly marketing budget is 5 lakh. Product category, let's say fine jewelry because that's the highest consideration purchase in this category. Average transaction value, I'll add 45,000. Monthly foot traffic. Now, what's that? For a brand with physical presence, let's say we have 500 walk ins per month, and the online visitors we have 8,000. Then the brand awareness score. Now, this is the honest assessment of how well known the brand is. Like, say, if it is Tanishq jewelry, it will definitely be like 8 or 9. So, right now, let's keep it basic and add 6. Then the social media followers. Now, this accounts for the total social media followers the brand has. Let's say 25,000. And the influencer budget. Now, percentage of total marketing, let's say from 5 lakh, 30% is dedicated to influencer marketing. Now, having filled up all the details, I'll hit on calculate ROI. Now, you can see 4 outputs. Number 1, marketing ROI by channel. You can see 172.8x blended across all channels, right? Now, that number reflects the LTV mathematics of fine jewelry. One customer who buys twice a year, let's say 45,000 per transaction, will generate a revenue of 90,000. So the lifetime value of a loyal fine jewelry customer over 5 to 10 years is enormous, right? So the blended ROI reflects that long-term value against the execution cost. Second is the brand value growth, 4.8% projected in 12 months, increasing brand equity. Now, in luxury, this is a very critical metric. Brand value is a balance sheet asset, not just a marketing metric. A 4.8% brand value increase on a meaningful brand equity base is significant. Number third, social commerce projection. 6 crore 75 lakh year over year. Now, over 6 crore in social commerce revenue. This reflects the Instagram and Pinterest driven discovery to purchase journey that fine jewelry buyers increasingly follow these days, especially in the 25 to 48 segment. Fourth one is the influencer ROI, 16.8x per rupee spent. Now, this is the channel specific return on the influencer budget allocation. Fine jewelry, watches, they have among the highest influencer ROI of any D2C category because the visual nature of the product and the aspiration driven purchase decision both align perfectly with the influencer content. When you scroll a bit, you can see the 12-month trajectory as well. Now, it's very different from the mass market D2C, right? You can see the slower ramp in months 1 to 3, and then this is the brand building phase where awareness and consideration are being established, but then transactions are not yet following. Month 4 onwards, you can see the curve steepens. So, this is the entire trajectory of how the 12-month projection will look like. Now, having done this, please do check out these related simulators that you should run next. Now, this is another high consideration, high transaction vertical, so definitely check these out. Yeah, so the luxury jewelry D2C marketing simulator in one line, it shows you the ROI math that justifies investing in brand and influencer before performance in this vertical. Now, run it with your own transaction value and monthly traffic. The premium inside recommendation will shift based on your product category. Custom design, watches, fashion jewelry, each have different optimal channel splits. Link I'll add it in the description. Book a strategy call if you want Upgrowth to look at your specific brand positioning. and channel mix, you can do that by clicking here. Subscribe for more simulators and see you in the next one. Thank you. Bye bye.